Are you tired of playing phone tag with clients, juggling schedules, and manually updating your calendar? Imagine a world where your customers could book your services with a few clicks, anytime, anywhere. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving deep into a question that could turn that dream into a reality for your service business. Does Jobber offer online booking? For field service businesses, the ability to streamline operations and enhance customer experience isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. In a world that demands instant gratification and seamless digital interactions, the old ways of scheduling appointments are quickly becoming obsolete. Think about it, your potential clients are searching for services at all hours. They're on their phones, tablets, and computers, and when they're ready to book, they want to do it now. If your business isn't set up to capture that immediate intent, you're likely losing out to competitors who are. This isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency and growth. Every minute you spend on the phone scheduling an appointment is a minute you could be spending on a job, managing your team, or strategizing for your business's future. And for your customers, a cumbersome booking process can be a deterrent, even if you offer the best service in town. We've all been there. You find a business you're interested, but then you hit a wall of voicemails or slow email responses, and suddenly you're back to searching for alternatives. So, how does Jobber fit into this modern service landscape? For those unfamiliar, Jobber is a robust field service management software designed to help businesses organize their operations, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. It's built to simplify the complexities of running a service business, giving you more time back in your day and more control over your workflow. But the burning question remains: does this comprehensive platform extend its capabilities to online booking? Can it truly bridge the gap between your services and your customers' immediate needs? The answer, in short, is a resounding yes. Jobber absolutely offers online booking, and it's a feature that can genuinely transform how you acquire and manage new clients. This isn't just a basic calendar integration. Jobber's online booking is designed to be a powerful, user-friendly tool that benefits both you and your customers. Let's break down what Jobber's online booking looks like in practice and why it's such a game changer. Imagine this. You embed a simple booking form directly onto your website or share a direct link on your social media. A prospective customer visits your site, sees your services, and at the moment they're ready to commit, they can instantly select the service they need, choose a date and time that works for them from your available slots, and provide all the necessary details. No phone calls, no emails back and forth, no waiting for business hours. It's an immediate, intuitive process. From your perspective, this means fewer interruptions for phone calls, reduced administrative burden, and a significant reduction in missed booking opportunities. Jobber's online booking system intelligently displays your availability based on your existing schedule, your team's capacity, and even travel time, ensuring you're not double-booked or overcommitted. This real-time synchronization is crucial for maintaining an efficient workflow and preventing costly errors. Furthermore, Jobber's online booking isn't just about scheduling. It's about providing a seamless customer experience from the very first interaction. Customers can specify the details of their request, attach photos, and even ask questions directly through the booking form. This pre-job information gathering is invaluable, allowing you to arrive at the job site fully prepared, with the right tools and a clear understanding of the customer's needs. This level of preparation not only boosts your efficiency but also elevates your professionalism in the eyes of your clients. Another significant advantage is the ability to customize your online booking experience. You can define which services are available for online booking, set service areas, and even include custom questions to qualify leads or gather specific information crucial for your operations. This flexibility ensures that your online booking portal accurately reflects your business offerings and operational parameters, giving you complete control over the types of jobs you accept through this channel. Think about the marketing power of online booking as well. When you can promote your services with a direct Book Now button, your marketing efforts become far more effective. Whether it's through Google My Business, social media campaigns, or email newsletters, providing an instant booking option capitalizes on immediate interest and converts leads into confirmed jobs much more efficiently. This direct conversion path can significantly reduce your customer acquisition cost and accelerate your business growth. And what about the post-booking experience? Jobber integrates seamlessly with the rest of its platform. Once a booking is made online, it automatically populates your Jobber calendar, creates a new client profile, and even initiates the process for estimates or jobs. This means no manual data entry, no risk of typos, and a streamlined transition from lead to active client. Automated notifications can be sent to the customer confirming their booking, providing a professional touch and reducing no-shows. Of course, like any powerful tool, maximizing the benefits of Jobber's online booking requires a strategic approach. It's not just about turning it on. It's about integrating it thoughtfully into your overall business strategy. This includes clearly defining your services, setting accurate availability, and ensuring your website or social media presence directs customers effectively to your booking portal. Marketing your online booking capabilities is just as important as having them. In conclusion, Jobber absolutely empowers service businesses with robust online booking capabilities. This isn't just a minor feature. It's a core component that can revolutionize your customer acquisition process, enhance your operational efficiency, and ultimately drive significant growth for your business. In today's fast-paced digital world, providing an easy, instant way for customers to book your services is no longer an option. It's a competitive imperative. Jobber delivers on this need, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing exceptional service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.